The Constitution of India. Part 5. The Union. Chapter 2. Parliament. Disqualifications of Members. Article 102. Disqualifications for membership. 1. A person shall be disqualified for being chosen as, and for being, a member of either House of Parliament, a. If he holds any office of profit under the Government of India, or the Government of any state, other than an office declared by Parliament by law, not to disqualify its holder. b. If he is of unsound mind, and stands so declared by a competent court. c. If he is an undischarged insolvent. d. If he is not a citizen of India, or has voluntarily acquired the citizenship of a foreign state, or is under any acknowledgment of allegiance, or adherence to a foreign state. a. If he is so disqualified, by or under any law made by Parliament. Explanation. For the purposes of this clause, a person shall not be deemed to hold an office of profit under the Government of India or the Government of any state, by reason only that he is a minister either for the Union, or for such state. 2. A person shall be disqualified for being a member of either House of Parliament, if he is so disqualified under the 10th schedule.